A very good morning, my dear students, and welcome to Digital World of Pathania Public School. But today in this video, we start extend and update dictionary with new key value pairs. So, how you can update your dictionary, how you can extend or increase or increment in your dictionary. Two methods are there. One is your update method and second one is your set default method. Update and set default method. The syntax is dictionary dot set default method, or you can say set default function, to insert a new key value pair. If you want to insert a new key and value in the existing dictionary, then you use the set default method. Or second is your dictionary dot update function, to update or add key value pair from a dictionary. First one is your now we are explain both these method in detail. First is your set default method. Set default method insert a new key value, means it can add the pair of your dictionary key with value only if condition, you have already know about the if condition, the key does not already exist, so it only add the unique key value in your dictionary. If the key already exists, it return the current value of key. You can use this method. Just write down dictionary name, then set default, and then write down new key name and then value. So key and value are the key and value to be added to the dictionary. If value is not passed as input, the default none value is used as the value. If you don't write down any value with the key, then it will take the by default value, and the by default value is your none. So return the value of the new key if added, otherwise it return the value of the existing key. Okay, so this method have two ways. One is if the given key is not already present in dictionary, or if your given key is already present in dictionary. So if not present, it will add the specified new key value pair to the dictionary and return the value of the added key. But if already present in dictionary, the existing value of key will not be updated, but the current value associated to the specified key is returned. For example, you write down a dictionary name marks, and in marks we have added the keys are 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the values are 350, 423, 411 and 300. This is marks dictionary containing detail of 4 student. Now for example, if you want to add the fifth student detail, and the marks is 320, so just write down marks dot set default 5 comma 320. So now if you print the marks dictionary, it display key, then 2 key, 3 key, 4 key and the 5 key, same like first value, then second value, then third value, then fourth value, then fifth value. So fifth value with key and will be added in their already existing dictionary. Better do the practical of this in your computer system. Explain the output, produce the following code. We have already know about the how it display the value in your screen. Okay, now the program is 13.16. Write a program to create a dictionary with 10 keys. So you create this program in your system. Yes, now next method is your update method. Set default method, and next one is your update method. This method merge means combine. the key value pair from the new dictionary into the original dictionary. So here you can add new dictionary in the existing or in your original dictionary. Adding or replacing as needed the item in the new dictionary or add it to the old one and override any item already there with the same key. The syntax to use is first write down the dictionary name, then dot update, and then write down other dictionary name. So this dictionary item will be taken for updating other dictionary. For example, you have written here employee 1 dictionary, and here you write down name John, salary 10,000 and age is 24. Okay. And second dictionary name is name Dia, salary 54,000 and department is sales. Now we add here employee 1. In employee 1, we add the employee 2 also. So dot update employee 2. Now your employee 1 is salary 54,000, department sales, name Dia, age 24. New key value pair got added here. So your salary is already there. Salary will be replaced with the salary. Name will replace with the name key. Age will be replaced with the age. But here you see department is not there in your employee 1 dictionary. So this department will be added it in your first dictionary name. So this is the update function. This method is equivalent of the following Python statement. You can also write down in this way also. For key in new dictionary dot keys. So new dictionary is employee here and employee dictionary k is equal to new dictionary. K is the variable name. You can write down any variable name here instead of the k. You can write down a, j, anything. Now making shadow copy of a dictionary. Shadow. Shadow means copy of your dictionary. The copy method of dictionary create a shadow copy of a dictionary. Before we discuss copy, let us quickly talk about the shadow copy means. What do you mean by the shadow copy? Okay. Uh, you know that copy something means duplicating, or now consider the following hypothetical setup where a camera is recording a TV screen. Okay, you see here one camera is here, original setup. Here is a camera and here is your TV. So original setup that is to be copied, but here you see shadow copy. In it only the upper layer is copied, only this upper layer is copied and same inner object are referenced, only the camera is duplicated. Now you see original setup and setup almost same, but one duplicate camera is also here. So shadow copy where only the upper layer is copied and inner reference object is not copied, somewhat like here you see. And deep copy, one term is deep copy. What do you mean by the deep copy? In deep copy, in it all the layer including the outer layer, not only inner. Here you shadow only inner is uh, same inner object are reference, but here in deep copy all the layer including the outer layer and the inner referenced objects are also copied. See here both the layers are duplicated, the camera as well as the TV. Here only camera is duplicated, but here camera and your TV. One camera and TV is here and another camera and TV is here. So both are the duplicated here. See, this is your shadow copy and deep copy. In the same way, when a layered object of Python are copied, you can create either their shadow copy or deep copy, or instance the shadow copy or deep copy of a Python dictionary. So you see here uh, We have write down a dictionary name student, and here you write down 1 Neha, 2 Samya, 3 Avin, 4th and N. So here you see, you can write down in this way, only keys are copied. So original dictionary, this is your original dictionary. Here you copy only the keys, but here you see you copy keys as well as the values also. So in deep copy you can create the duplicate dictionary with key and the values, but in shadow copy you only copy the, or you can create the duplicate only the keys. So this is the main technology of your deep and the shadow python dictionary. We shall not go into the detail of the deep copy as how to deep copy of a Python dictionary is created, as it is beyond the scope of the book. We shall stick of the working of dictionary dot copy. Dictionary dot copy means create the duplicate dictionary, which create a shadow copy of a Python dictionary. The dictionary method copy. So for this shadow of the Python, we use the copy method here. Just write down dictionary name, then write down dot copy function. So dictionary is the dictionary to be copied and return a shadow copy of the dictionary. Like this, you can create a student name dictionary, and here in student 2 you copy the student dot copy. So this value also copied in the student 2. Now you print the student 2 dictionary, so same like student 1, both are the similar here. Working of a copy, so how copy will be work here. In order to understand how copy impact the original dictionary and its copy, we shall consider two cases. Case 1, what is the case 1? Creating copy using assignment operator. Just write down the equal sign. Just you create two, you have initialize or create one dictionary, and then you initialize, or you can say assign in the one dictionary to the other. For example, you have created the name student dictionary. Okay, now we have taken another dictionary name student 2, and we assign equal to sign, this is your assignment operator. We assigned student dictionary to the student 2 dictionary, so automatically it copy all and complete dictionary in student 2 here. And the next method is creating copy using the copy method. Using the copy method, just write down dictionary name, then you write down the dot, and then write down copy method. So both are the do the copy and create the duplicate dictionary for you. If the values referenced by the keys are mutable as list, then keys will be referring to the same Python list object. That is the memory address of the values would not change, but list being mutable can change. For example, you write down the dictionary name. One dictionary is this is your nested dictionary 1 2 3. Then you write down 2, and here we again write down 3 4 5. So this is the multiple list here, and now you can copy the d1, and here we have append 4. So now our values are 1 2 3 4, and 3 4 5 is already given as the same. So when you update it after line 2 of the code, 1 4 value will be added here, and the address will be changed. You see here the address is 2000, but here the address is 2514. Okay, so this is your about the dictionary, how you copy it on the mutable with the list. The copy method create a shadow of a dictionary where only keys are duplicated and comes value are referenced by the two copied. Thus, if the values are immutable, changes are not reflected. Immutable means not changeable, not modifiable. in the copies, but if the values are mutable, changes are reflected in the copies. If you do not want that changes are ever reflected irrespective of mutable or immutable values, you can use deep copy here. Covering deep copy is beyond the scope of this book, so don't we have discussed here. Better do the practical of this example too in your computer system and see the output of this. Now the other is deleting element from the dictionary. If you want to remove any element from the dictionary element, now we are talking about the value of the dictionary. So if you want to delete or remove any value from the dictionary, then we have used here clear method, pop method, pop item method, and del. So you can say these are the functions or you can say method. So clear function, pop item function, and the del function. Just write down del and then write down dictionary name. It remove complete dictionary. It remove complete dictionary from the your system. And if you write down the del dictionary and key, so to delete a key from the dictionary, so it only remove the dictionary, but dictionary when you write down the del and then write down dictionary name, so it remove your complete dictionary from your computer system. So what is the method of your pop method? Pop, this method remove and return the dictionary element associated to past key. It is used as per the syntax. So what is the use of this pop method? Pop method delete or remove and return the dictionary element associated to past key. So what is the syntax of this? Just write down the dictionary name, then write down dot pop. Pop means remove anything from the dictionary, and then you write down key and the value. So dict is the directory in which a key is to be deleted. Key is to be deleted if key is found. It is not found, then it is return value is returned, and then you write down the value. So is the return value and message which will be returned in the method. So pop method remove the key and value from your dictionary. For example, you have created a student name dictionary here, and we write down student pop 4. So 4 is your Anna. So you see here it returned the Anna here, and now you see your output is uh, without the number 4 Anna here. And next one is you have also write down in this way, write down the dictionary name, then write down dot pop, then write down number 6, and then 6 is not there, so it display the answer is not there. So these are the method to pop from your dictionary, and pop means remove the keys and values. So however, pop method always you to specify what to display when the given key does not exist rather than the default error message. This can be done as the following syntax. If you want to write down the any message for error, then you write down, just write down here dictionary name, then write down dot pop, then new, and then display the message not found. So not found error will be displayed on your screen if the value is not present in your dictionary. So write the program produced by the following code. So you see here we have taken a dictionary here, the name is number, and key is equal to 3, key is equal to 3, and now we have write down here 3 means these three, 1 2 3, and we have total number of keys are here your 4, 1 2 3 4, but we have written here key is equal to 3. So what do the mean here? X is equal to number dot pop key comma none, and then you write down if x not is equal to none, the print removed pair is key x. So it display remove pair is 3 colon 311. So this is the pop method. And now pop item, what do you mean by the pop item method, or you can say pop item function? So pop item remove and return a key value pair from the dictionary. There are important thing to know about the pop item method is it return the item which was the last item entered in the dictionary. So you can say last in first out. Your last inputted value or your last inputted item will be deleted from your dictionary. That is, if you employ the pop item method in a loop, the item will be removed from the dictionary in last in first out. So it returns the deleted key value pair in the form of a tuple, key and value. So how it remove it, you see here. uh, this is a jar, for example, and we have inputted values here, and we have input value 1, 2, 3. So now your first value remove 3, and after that remove 2, and then remove 1. So last in first out, 3 is inputted in the last, then it remove the first time, then 2 is inputted before the 3, then it remove after the 3. So it return the deleted key and value pair in the form of a tuple, that is as key and value. If the dictionary is empty, so it display the error key is not present in the dictionary. And now this is the example of your dictionary here, and do the practical of this in your computer system. Pop function and the pop item function. So you see the output of this pop item function here. And next is your clear method. Yes, we have talking about the delete, how you delete the key and item from the dictionary. So we have used here pop method, or you can say pop function. Second, we use the pop item, and now we have used here clear method. This method removes all from the dictionary, and the dictionary become empty dictionary. Post this method, the syntax to use this method is given here: dictionary dot clear. So takes no argument, return no values. So for example, if you have created a dictionary here employee, and you write down employee dot clear, so it display the empty dictionary here. It don't remove the dictionary, but it remove the all the keys and the values from the dictionary. And when you write down the del here, so it remove the complete dictionary from your system. The clear method does not delete the dictionary object, it just deleted all the element inside the dictionary, and empty dictionary object remain same. And when you write down the dictionary name, it display empty dictionary for you. Now get sorted list of keys, the sorted function. What is the mean of sorted? Sorting means arranging the keys and element in your dictionary. And arrange means you are arranging in ascending order, in the descending order. So we have used here for this the sorted function. You have learned to work with the sorted function in list and tuple. The sorted function are also work with the dictionary, but it consider only if the key the dictionary for sorted, and return sorted list for you. Just write down sorted, then dictionary, comma, reverse false. If you write down the reverse false, so it display you in reverse order, in descending order. But if you don't write down the reverse false, then it display the your dictionary in the ascending order. So just write down dictionary name, then you write down the dictionary, sorted dictionary name. So dict is the directory whose keys are to be stored, and reverse argument is optional. And if you want to display the dictionary in descending order, then you write down reverse is equal to false, otherwise no need to write down the reverse here. Now you can manipulate sorted function in a variety of ways as listed below. Get the sorted list of keys from the dictionary item. So you write down sorted keys is equal to sorted and then write down the dictionary name here. And if you write down here sorted keys 2 is equal to sorted, then you write down here dictionary name then dot keys, so it only remove the keys from your dictionary, but here you can remove any uh, dictionary from the here. Get the sorted, and if you want to arrange these items, then it's sorted in this way in ascending order. You can see here 12, 15, 42, and if you write down the sorted in the way of the keys, then it you see here it will be arranged in a ascending order here. Get the sorted list of values from the dictionary item. To get the sorted list of a dictionary values, pass dictionary's values. Here we have arranged it with the help of keys, but here you see we have arranged the dictionary in the form of your values. Now get sorted key list of keys, the sorted function. Now list of keys. We want to arrange multiple keys in a same time, then we use the sorted function here. You have learned to work with the sorted function in the list and tuple. The sorted function can also work the dictionary, but it consider only the keys of the dictionary for sorting and return a sorted list of the dictionary. The sorted function is used. Just write down sorted, then write down the name of the dictionary, then comma reverse is equal to false. So dictionary is the DICT is the dictionary whose keys are to be sorted. Reverse means if you want to write down your dictionary in the descending order, then you write down reverse is equal to false and return a list containing the sorted keys of the dictionary. So you see here we have write down one dictionary. In one dictionary we have written here 41, 12, 32, 24 and 15 is the keys, and Neha, Syama, Amnit, Anas, these are the values. So you have how you arrange it, how you sort it. Just write down the list is equal to sorted student. So when you write down the list, so it display the complete list here. See, the list contain all the keys of the student dictionary as in ascending order. And if you see here, when you write down the student here, the student dictionary remains unaffected with the sorted function.